Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick disclaimer before we dive in that this video is not a sponsored content, so every information I share in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. I will try to give an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's deep dive into our review video. So in today's video we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of HXD-ERGO Stair Stepper. It's a metallic home gym equipment that will allow you to do the exercises, whether you want to do calisthenics, whether you want to do cardio exercises. You can perform all these kind of exercises at your own home if you buy this product. So it is made up of metal and it requires 1 AA batteries. And if we look at the ratings, it has a 4.2 out of 5 rating on Amazon on the base of 253 reviews, which is, in my opinion, is a really good rating score. And if we look at the use case of this HXD-ERGO Stair Stepper, they claim that doing a 20 minutes of exercise on this stair stepper is equivalent to either of these four, which means you will burn the exact number of calories as of doing the 20 minutes of stair stepper exercises. So it could be equivalent to a 20 minutes gym, or 60 minutes swimming, or 2 hours of cycling, or 3 hours of yoga. And it comes with a really good feature. If you look at it, it's adjustable armrest height, so you can adjust it according to your height and your preference. Another one of the most important feature of this product is that it is foldable, and you can just adjust, fold it, and put it in your cupboard. So in conclusion, I would say this is a really good product for someone who doesn't have a gym nearby or who doesn't find some time to go to gym. And it is also adjustable. You can just fold it up and put it in your cupboard or any other space. So if your house is not capacious, this product is also suitable for you in that condition. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make the reviews of as much product as I can, but since I cannot review every single product you send my way, so I have created a document to help you out to do the research on your own and qualify the product before buying it. So do check out that description in the below, and I hope to see you in the next video.